What's up, guys? It's Eli at Shine Division. We just wrapped up a PPF job on the full front end of this Volkswagen. We did the hood, fenders, bumper. We wrap all the seams. You can't even tell that it's there. This is where it buttons up against that edge. We wrap around this seam, this edge right here. And it's super nice and clean. You can't even tell that it's there. We did the headlights and the bumper and the majority of these black accent pieces on the front as well. So we wanted to protect this Golf R from rock chips and heavy abrasions on mainly the high impact areas on the front. PPF this logo here, the top piece of this black trim. If you want to come by for a consult, we're here in Oceanside. We do PPF installs, front end, just bumper, just headlights, with a variety of detailing, correction, coating services, which has got as well. We did wheels off ceramic coating service for this thing. Just overall want to keep it looking nice.